Justin. Kurt. Justin, go swimming.
What?
Go swimming.
No.
Yeah.
What?
Go swimming.
No way.
Who goes swimming?
I'm swimming. You're a cold. You would not want to jump off that. You have to jump right out there. That's a far jump.
You walk right out there.
Yeah, no, I'm saying if you jump off that cliff, you'd have to jump far out. This is the best waterfall we've seen. Oh, I'm cold, Dad.